high-strength mold steel is selected and precisely CNC cut to create the initial mold base for refrigerator drawers and door components. A 5-axis milling machine meticulously carves the component's texture, ensuring every structure perfectly replicates the design. During the processing phase, a CNC milling machine precisely mills the mold cavity, and the wire cutting machine meticulously carves intricate holes, ensuring the mold dimensions perfectly match the part design. Injection molding of refrigerator molds can mold multiple parts simultaneously, shortening production cycles and making it suitable for large-scale batch production. After mold assembly, the trial mold phase begins. The injection molding machine injects molten plastic into the mold, cools, and forms the part before removing it for inspection for dimensional accuracy and surface smoothness. Based on the trial mold results, the mold is fine-tuned until qualified refrigerator parts are produced.